this is the EST270 SPO. And that right there is an EST horn stub. Yeah. And I know that there's another one somewhere. I don't know if that's a heat detector or not. Or maybe... Oh, another one right there. All the way down there, you see right there? Yeah, right there. And I think there is one all the way down right there. Yep, there's one right there. And I can't tell right there if that's a pole station or not. Right there. Right there. I don't know. But this is it. Thank you for watching my video. Click like, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.